2011 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, cruise control, power side view mirrors. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.